So now let's have a look at M as a language. If you see M, the history of it says it's predefined functions defined used in Power BI desktop to deliver enhanced features. In this way, for example, if I have to write down all the list of numbers, for example, so for easy way of doing things would be I would go into a blank query over here and I would say the syntax of M for generating a concurrent list would be start figure, let's say 1 dot dot, and what would be your end figure, and just say enter. On that you receive bingo, all the dates, all the days what you need. Similarly, if you have another query, for example list dot dates, and you want all the dates starting from date of 2019, let's say 2020 comma 01 comma 01, and you move ahead with how many days do you need in 2020, probably 366. And what is the step? The step should be no step should be the last part would be duration. So it's more like an hour, it's days followed by hours into minutes and seconds. So if you do this and if you say this, you would easily see date has been generated for all the days till 31st. It's a leap year, so that's why 366. In this way, we can use custom queries to generate list and also rename it if there is. This would save a lot of your time by reusing this piece of code over and over again rather than generating it in your data source.